In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write handwritten notes on Evernote. Whether you're using a mouse, trackpad, or a stylus on a tablet, Evernote's sketch feature is a simple way to add handwritten content right inside your notes. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along easily. First, open Evernote and either select an existing note or create a brand new one. If you already have a note where you want to add handwriting, just click to open it. If you prefer a fresh start, look for the option to create a new note, give it a clear title, and get the basic text in place. It's helpful to leave a blank space where you plan to insert your handwritten section so everything stays organized and easy to read later. Next, inside your note, look for the Insert option in the toolbar. This is usually at the top of the editor where you see formatting tools like bold, italics, and checklists. Click on Insert to open a small menu of different elements you can add to your note. This is where Evernote hides some of its more powerful features, including handwriting. From the Insert menu, choose Sketch. Clicking Sketch will open a new drawing area or canvas right on your screen. This is the space where you'll be writing or drawing. Take a moment to get familiar with the tools you see here. Depending on your setup, you may see different pen sizes, colors, an eraser, and undo and redo buttons. If you're on a touchscreen device with a stylus, this is where it will really feel like writing on digital paper. Now start writing something in the sketch area. You can jot down a quick note, a formula, a diagram, or even a simple to-do list. Try experimenting with different pen sizes or colors to emphasize headings or underline key ideas. If you make a mistake, use the eraser or the undo button instead of starting over. This is especially useful for brainstorming or drawing rough ideas that you want to refine as you go. When you're happy with your handwriting, look for the Done button, usually in the corner of the sketch window. Click Done to save your sketch and return to your note. Evernote will automatically insert your handwritten sketch as an image inside the note, exactly where your cursor was. From here, you can continue typing, add more sketches, or rearrange